Are you intrigued by the buzz surrounding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? You've probably heard stories of people making fortunes overnight, but is it really that simple? Join us as we unravel the complexities of investing in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify or a curious beginner, this video provides essential insights and strategies to navigate the crypto market safely and effectively. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most innovative and volatile asset classes available today, cryptocurrency. With the rise of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other digital coins, the crypto market has captured the attention of investors worldwide. But where do you start? How do you decide which crypto to invest in, and what are the risks involved? In this video, we'll explore various ways to invest in cryptocurrencies, from buying coins directly to investing in related companies and funds. We'll also discuss the importance of transaction fees, the volatile nature of this market, and why it's crucial to invest only what you can afford to lose. Stick around as we guide you through the essentials of crypto investing. In this video, we'll walk you through the different types of cryptocurrency investments, each offering unique opportunities and risks. We'll begin by explaining how you can buy cryptocurrency directly. This involves choosing a reputable exchange, setting up an account, funding it with fiat money like US dollars, and purchasing your chosen digital currency. You'll also learn about storing your crypto securely in digital wallets provided by exchanges or independent providers. Next, we'll talk about investing in cryptocurrency companies, which could range from firms specializing in mining operations to those holding significant crypto assets on their balance sheets. This approach can offer indirect exposure to the crypto market's potential growth. We'll also explore investing in cryptocurrency-focused funds, such as ETFs and investment trusts, which allow you to enjoy the benefits of diversification and professional management. For those considering the tax advantages of retirement accounts, we'll discuss cryptocurrency Roth IRAs as another viable investment avenue. Finally, for the tech-savvy, we'll touch on the possibility of becoming a crypto miner or validator, earning rewards in crypto as part of the network. Throughout, we'll emphasize the importance of understanding the risks, potential market volatility, and regulatory challenges that come with investing in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly popular, and it's important to understand the basics before diving in. Cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and many others, represents a new kind of digital money that is secured through blockchain technology. This technology underpins thousands of available cryptocurrencies, offering a diverse array of investment opportunities. While Bitcoin might be the most famous, the variety in cryptocurrencies means there are numerous ways to approach investing. From buying crypto directly to exploring crypto-related funds and companies, or even participating as a miner or validator, each path presents unique possibilities and challenges. One of the most straightforward methods is purchasing cryptocurrency directly. This involves selecting a cryptocurrency exchange, creating an account, and funding it with traditional currency. Once set up, investors can choose from established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer, lesser-known options. Storing these digital assets typically happens in a digital wallet. Investors must remain vigilant about transaction fees, which can vary dramatically and impact overall investment returns. Investing in cryptocurrency is inherently risky. Prices can exhibit extreme volatility, influenced by market trends and regulations. As such, potential investors must not invest more money than they can afford to lose. Additionally, staying informed about the rapid developments in the crypto sector is crucial, as they can have significant impacts on investment strategies. Successful investing requires continuous research, particularly into the coins of interest, their performance, and the wider crypto market's evolution. For those exploring cryptocurrency investments, several alternative strategies exist beyond buying coins outright. One method is to invest in companies with cryptocurrency exposure, such as those involved in crypto mining or blockchain technology. Companies like MicroStrategy, which hold substantial amounts of crypto in their portfolios, offer indirect exposure to this asset class. Alternatively, one could consider cryptocurrency-focused funds, such as ETFs or investment trusts, which spread risk across multiple holdings. The recent approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs by the Securities and Exchange Commission in January 2024 marks an important milestone, enabling investors to own shares tied directly to Bitcoin's spot price. Furthermore, a cryptocurrency Roth IRA may appeal to those seeking tax advantages. These IRAs allow you to invest in crypto while potentially benefiting from deferred taxes. Not everyone is comfortable with high-risk investments like cryptocurrencies. The volatility can be unsettling, leading conservative investors to shy away. However, for those willing to embrace this risk in the pursuit of potentially high returns, Cryptocurrencies offer an appealing, albeit speculative, investment avenue. It's vital to remember that market swings can be sudden and significant, leading to massive gains or losses in short periods. Those new to crypto should start by familiarizing themselves with major exchanges like Coinbase or Binance for direct investment. Alternatively, they can invest in crypto-related stocks or funds. The best cryptocurrency to invest in depends on individual goals and risk tolerance. It's crucial not to fall into the trap of fearing missed opportunities, which can drive impulsive decisions. Diligent research and a clear understanding of one's financial limits are keys to navigating the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency investing. Let's recap what we've covered about investing in cryptocurrency. We began our journey by defining cryptocurrency as a form of virtual money secured by blockchain technology, which is crucial to understanding how these digital assets function. We then explored several investment options. The most direct method is buying cryptocurrency through exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, where you'll need to set up an account, fund it, and choose the digital currencies you believe in. We also highlighted the importance of storing your investments securely in digital wallets. For those who prefer a less direct approach, investing in cryptocurrency companies can be a viable alternative. Companies involved in mining, transaction processing, or simply holding large amounts of digital assets, like MicroStrategy, offer another way to gain exposure to the crypto market's growth. Similarly, cryptocurrency-focused funds, such as ETFs, provide diversification and professional management, appealing to those who prefer not to invest in individual coins or stocks. We discussed the innovative option of cryptocurrency Roth IRAs, which combine crypto investing with tax advantages, offering a unique blend of benefits for long-term retirement planning. Additionally, becoming a crypto miner or validator provides a hands-on method to earn crypto, though it requires significant technical knowledge and resources. Throughout our discussion, we stressed the volatility of the crypto market. Prices can fluctuate wildly, and regulatory changes could impact the future value of cryptocurrencies. Therefore, it's crucial to do thorough research, understand the tax implications, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Whether you're considering cryptocurrencies as a small part of your portfolio or a significant investment, staying informed is key to navigating this exciting yet unpredictable market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more insightful content. Check out our playlists on Wall Street, companies, and Investment 101 to further enhance your investment knowledge. Stay tuned for more videos that empower your financial journey.